In this video, we're gonna talk about the sentinel value. So what we mean by that and how does it work, we're gonna learn all of this in this video. So let's start that by creating a variable, and we're gonna name it integer int program, or just in shortcut for program, equals 0. And then we're gonna say to the user how much you would like to deposit. Let's suppose you would like to deposit money into the bank account. So we're gonna say how much you would like to deposit, and then we can also tell him, just an example, we're gonna say okay, you can enter or deposit multiple times, or just, and let's over here, let's in the program, and then we're gonna say just by entering the amount each time, or enter 0 to end the program. So let's see what's gonna happen over there. And then we're gonna create a while loop, and actually let's create another integer in which we're gonna say total deposited. So just name it total equals 0 for now. And then we're gonna say while I, and then we're gonna create another variable for integer user entry, and then we're gonna ask from the user to enter it, or we will do that inside the program. We're gonna say okay, while the user entry, and let's user entry does not equal the in program, which is 0, then I would like you to keep adding money. So we're gonna just print how much you would like to add, or we're gonna just copy this line completely, or cut it completely. So we're gonna say how much we'd like to deposit, and then we're gonna keep asking him for the deposit amount until he enters 0. And by the time he enters, we're gonna ask for the user entry, and then we're gonna say total equals total plus user entry. And so yeah, this is the end of our loop. So what I mean by the sentinel value, our sentinel value in this example is the end program, or this integer, which is end prog, shortcut for program. So what we mean by the sentinel value is the value that in which we want to stop our program. So over here, sentinel value is 0. As long as the user doesn't enter 0, this while loop gonna keep going. And just in case you decided to change this, it will be easier to change it. You say you would like to make it -1, then you could do that. You just say just by changing the value over here, and in the program make it in this way. So this simplifies programming for us when we would like to modify our program. So Basically, the sentinel value is the value that's used to tell the program to stop, and you could use it in other different conditions. So this is just an example. We use the while loop because we are in the loops. You could use it in different situations. So just keep in mind that we use the sentinel value to specify that we would like to stop program or that program. So over here, as long as the user doesn't enter the sentinel, which is 0, then our program will keep running. And so after the while loop ends, we're gonna tell total deposit and total. And yeah, so return, or we have written the return. Yeah. So let's run the program and see what's happened. And yeah. So it's gonna run. As you guys see, it says you can deposit multiple times just by entering the amount each time, or if you would like, enter the sentinel amount with the sentinel number, which is 0, to end the program. So how much you would like to deposit? Okay, we'll go with $100. How much you would like to deposit? $300, 400. So right now we have deposited 700, and we will go with the 300, so it will make it, or we will go with 200, so we make it 900, and then we will enter 0 to stop the program, as you guys see. And why did it end up? Yeah, 800. Yeah, we deposited 1,000. So yeah, that's our sentinel value.